Now this one's for Tasty Burger. You're so ethically sound and smart, but stupid just because of the fact that literally they have the right to put a mental inquest warrant on you, whether no matter what power of attorney or legal team you have, just because of the fact that you are serving doctors, lawyers, all up and down the pay scale, from even military officials potentially who are off duty, and literally they could potentially have what, worms and anything else potentially, just because of the fact that you have a rodent problem at one point in time, and two, your dishwasher was basically malfunctioning on a constant daily basis, and you literally didn't even have running hot water at one point in time, but you still decided to stay open. And then the icing on the cake is what? What's missing in that one? Well, your camera system may not be working, but no, it gets even better than that, because literally your employer is requiring somebody to work who's actually homeless during the summer season and not even acknowledging the fact that he needs to take a shower and be cleanliness, because even those who have unethical methods of showering more so, they're in the confines of their own home for the most part. So therefore, that doesn't apply to me in this case. So you might want to check your man, Mr. Mark, or excuse me, not Mark, but Mike in this case. It still starts with M, but how can I say like this? Mark Warburg, which is on the other side of the area in this case, how can I say like this? Actually understands the value of a good restaurant, because literally, if the employee doesn't actually potentially work out or what, I don't know, but literally they still serve alcohol there, and literally they're still open, and literally they still receive returning clientele. And even still, the establishment potentially has better food and running hot water. So explain that.